To create this design, you need to add a cylinder, and I will go with the 32 volt cylinder. Then go to the edit mode, add center loop cut, then add bevel on this edge loop and add a 4 segment bevel. Give the proper bevel width 0.5. Then select this face loop and select these 4 faces and then extrude them along the normal in this way. Turn on this offset even and give the offset. Then select this edge and select this edge and Ctrl X to dissolve it. Select these words and then press J to connect them. Then Ctrl A and apply the scale. Then add one loop cut here. Then select this edge loop and Ctrl B add bevel on it. Select this edge loop and Ctrl B add bevel on it. Select this word and use the edge slide. Select these words and use the edge slide. Select everything, mesh, symmetrize, take the symmetry. Then hit the Ctrl 2 to add the subd modifier. Uncheck this option. And now we want sharper edges. For that, select this edge loop and select this edge loop and Ctrl D add bevel on it. Select this edge and dissolve it. Select this edge and dissolve it. Then select this edge loop and dissolve them. Then select these words and merge at last and dissolve this edge. Then select this word and merge at last. Select these words and merge at last. And here also select these words and merge at last. Dissolve this edge and you will get this kind of sharper edges. Shade smooth it and we are getting little pinching and that we need to solve. Select this face loop and select this face and delete it. Add one loop cut here and use the set flow on it. Select these words and then press J to connect them. So you can maintain good edge flow at there. And here also add one center loop cut and use the set flow on it. Then select this word and then press J to connect them. Select this top part and delete it. Then select everything, mesh and symmetrize, take the symmetry. Here you can see we are facing that pinching issue. So there is one option. Select this word and merge them at the center and then dissolve this edges like this. Or select this words and merge here. Press M and merge at last. And then dissolve this edge. So you can get pinching only for this part. And this is the better solution. Select everything, mesh and symmetrize. Select this face loop and delete it. Select this face loop and delete it. Select these faces and press P to make a separate object. Hide this part. Select this part, go to the edit mode, select everything, shift D to duplicate it and rotate it into 90-degree angle and complete that circle. Then select everything, press M and merge by distance so double words will get merged. Then select everything, mesh and symmetrize, take the symmetry along the Z axis. So you will get same design to the top side. Now select these faces and press P to make a separate object. Select this top object and rotate it into 45-degree angle. So you can get this kind of alternate design. Now select these two objects and then join them. Add one edge loop at here and add one edge loop at here. S, Z and give the value 0. Here also S, Z and give the value 0. Then select these edge loops and delete them. Then select these edge loops and then press and then right click each edge loop and then add a center loop cut at there. So you will get this kind of cylindrical part. Here you can see that pinching is a problem and we want to solve it. So there is one way to solve this. Select these words and press M and merge at last and then dissolve this edge. And this looks really good comparatively to the first one. Then select this top edge loop and press F to fill the gap. Select this edge loop, press F to fill the gap. Select these two edge loops. Then S, Shift Z, scale them along the Z axis. And then Ctrl B, add bevel on them. Then select this top and bottom faces, use the insert operation. And you can delete this face and then select edge loop, face, grid fill. Same at the bottom side, select edge loop, face, grid fill. So this is how you can create this kind of design. You can see the design, you can see how does it look, you can see its topology. There are some pinching over there, but that's totally fine. If design matters a lot, then that's fine. You can go with more vertex count to avoid that pinching. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, then hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye, see you next video. Take care.